Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate sections on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I am on the Wix website editor. So for this one, we just need to look for the section we want to duplicate. So for me, I want to duplicate this section, which is a product section. So since I want to duplicate it, I just need to click on this specific section. Then from in there, just click on these three dots that we can see right here, which is the more action. So from in there, click on duplicate, or you can also just use this hotkey right here, which is the Control D. So click on this one. Then once you have clicked on that, it will duplicate your section. As you can see, a duplicate has been created right here. Now, if you want to edit the content of the section that you have duplicated, you can just click on that specific section. Click on Manage Product. So this is available to me because the section that I have created is a product page. So it totally depends on what section you have duplicated. So just edit it out however you want it to be. And then from in there, just choose whatever you want to display on that specific part of the section that you have created. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to duplicate section on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.